1989 Fleer wax pack. I think this is my last wax pack, and I do have a couple more rack packs, I think one or two, but I believe this is my last wax pack. So let's see if we can get lucky, possibly get that Billy Ripken error card or that Ken Griffey Jr. Rookie card. That would be sweet. I'm sure there's some others, but let's see what we get. Stickers, we get the Indians with Chief Wahoo, my favorite team, the Tigers, New York Mets, Philadelphia Phillies. The back is the team history for the Phillies. We've got Dave Martinez, Ray Quinones, Rick Rochelle, Jim Woolwander, John Shelby, Brady Anderson, Gerald Young, Carney Lansford, Matt Williams, Claudell Washington, Kevin Gross, Paul Kilgus, Al Hall. Looks like father and son team of Roberto Alomar and Sandy Alomar. That's a cool card. And finally, Tim Jones. Not bad. 1989 Fleer. Didn't quite get what we wanted, but some great looking cards nonetheless. Thanks for watching.